Good evening, I'm meteorologist Aaron Ayers with your severe weather update on the Aaron AWX blog. Thank you for joining me tonight. We are in a severe weather mode here on the blog, and we're beginning tonight with this PDS tornado watch from the Storm Prediction Center in Norman, Oklahoma. And they have issued a PDS tornado watch. A particularly dangerous situation is unfolding in North Alabama tonight. This includes Huntsville, Birmingham, and southern Middle Tennessee. This is a tornado watch for several strong tornadoes that are possible tonight. Hail up to apple size, that's large hail we're talking about there, and then wind up to 70 miles per hour with the storms in this area. So a lot of people under the gun tonight for severe weather in northern Alabama. Let's break it down with the Storm Prediction Center outlook for tonight, and this is the SPC Day 1 outlook for tonight. And they've got much of the southeast United States under the gun for severe weather. Let's take a look at these categories and show you exactly what they mean. Tonight we have a moderate risk for severe weather at the top of our scale tonight. And then progressing down to the left from there, we have enhanced, slight, and marginal outlined in our outlook tonight. Let's zoom into the state of Alabama and show you exactly what's in store for the state of Alabama and northern Alabama, as well as Georgia and Mississippi and portions of Middle Tennessee. And that is a moderate risk for severe weather. This is long-lived, widespread, and intense thunderstorms for North Alabama, this area of Gadsden, Birmingham, Decatur, Huntsville, and portions of southern Middle Tennessee. Then we have enhanced surrounding that in the orange. That's this area from Nashville down to Atlanta and portions of south central Alabama. We also have a slight risk surrounding that area, and that's a much broader area from Montgomery to Troy to Dothan and up into Middle Tennessee. We also have marginal, which is isolated severe thunderstorms possible. They'll be limited in these areas to the southwest and through portions of Mississippi. So that's what we're dealing with tonight in the SPC outlook and the areas where we'll see severe storms throughout the night tonight. I want to turn now to the GOES 16 visible imagery and show you what we've seen on the visible satellite imagery today. Earlier this morning, we saw quite a bit of cloud cover over the southeast United States. That all started to drift off to the east and fade out. And then we started to see more development in central Mississippi, north central Mississippi. These storms are the ones that will be racing through North Alabama here shortly. And we'll keep that in mind as we go throughout the day. Let's take a look at the recent radar loop, and we can see that several storms are tornado warned in North Alabama recently. Phil Campbell, Moulton, some areas under the gun in North Alabama for severe or for tornadoes at this time. I want to turn now to some photos that I was sent on my Facebook page from Debbie B in Newmarket, Alabama. Some amazing hail photos coming in from North Alabama. Look at that. It almost looks like sleet or snow in the wintertime, but it's actually hailstones. It's a lot of hailstones that they got earlier today with the severe storm that rolled through northern Madison County. So amazing photos. Thank you, Debbie, for your photos. I appreciate them. And I'm going to leave you guys with this. This is a severe weather graphic from the National Weather Service office in Huntsville. And I just want to hit a few things here. They have upped the tornado risk for this evening closer to a high threat, not as high as that large hail threat though. That seems to be the dominant threat tonight, is that large hail threat. But still, tornadoes are up there, and they've got that moderate risk outlined for the entire Tennessee Valley area with widespread severe storms likely tonight. So I'm going to ask you to please be prepared. Have your weather radio on, make sure it has its batteries in it and that you can get alerts overnight tonight, as well as make sure that you have a plan. Know where you're going to go when a tornado warning is issued, and make sure that you know your geography, your surrounding geography, and know where you are. And then turn to trusted local media. I don't care who you choose. I don't tell you to choose one or the other, but pick one that you like and trust and stick with them. And be safe, guys. Be smart and stay aware. Have a great night.